still day one of me crocheting the entire periodic table of elements pixel for pixel, but let's go into the metrics of it. In the last video, if you didn't see it, I basically talked about why I want to crochet the entire periodic table of elements and also who inspired me, all that kind of stuff. And in this video, I want to talk about the materials, time it will take, and also the final dimensions according to Stitch Fiddle. First of all, no, I will not be crocheting this completely like raw dogging, like I think it's like 1,000 stitches across. We aren't doing that. We are instead doing it in sections. So what I have what I have started is the first section, which is my alkali metals and also my alkali earth metals, that group, as well as the first small row in the transition metal group as well. This is 178 stitches across, and I'm currently on row 7. So for reference, this is the entire chart as seen on Stitch Fiddle, but this is specifically the chart that I am working on right now. Oh, the one that I'm working on right now. So it's just literally those first 3, basically. This still will probably take me a while, but what I'm planning on doing is crocheting 4 different sections and then sewing them together. And I think that should be a little bit better because also this gives me the ability to add on the periods on the side of the periodic table because I literally ran out of room on that old chart. So now, according to Stitch Fiddle, this project should be, let me just double check on my measurements. Yeah, should be roughly 435 centimeters by 196 centimeters, which is roughly 14 feet by 6.5 feet, which is insane. And also, it should end up, the stitch count being 550,000 stitches in total. Wild to think about, but I'm okay with it. I'm also using a 2mm crochet Clover Amour hook. I've always preferred Clover Amour. I was going to try to look for a smaller hook, but I think that this one works because, like, look at those stitches. I just feel like I can keep my stitches a lot cleaner and also not put as much, obviously tension on my hand as I would if I used a smaller hook. So while the project might be a little bit bigger, I think it'll also be a lot cleaner. So another thing is that this is all of the colors that I am using, along with white, gray, and black. I have not picked up the gray and black yarn yet, or thread yet, but that's my white. Another thing is that this is DMC pearl cotton yarn, size 5 that I've been getting from Michaels. I will be keeping track of how many thread counts that I do use, but I'm already on my second white one, so probably gonna go kind of fast. But yeah, I'll see y'all next month for update 2.